The Task Center is where you can manage all of the tasks that have been created across all websites where your license is activated. Let's look at each column one by one. We can see here on the left all websites that are part of our dashboard, making it super easy to go through each one and see what tasks have been created. We can also click here to view the tasks from all of your websites, very much like checking your inbox in the morning. In this circle, we can see how many tasks are pending on this website. If there's a little green tick like this, it means that all tasks have been completed. Good job. We can click here to go to the website and here to resync all of the data from the website to the dashboard. More on this later. In this column, we can see all of the tasks found. If there are no filters chosen, it will show all tasks in order of creation. On the right of each task, we can see what kind of task it is, whether it's general task, a task that has been created on a page, or a back-end task. Underneath that, we can see a snapshot of the task in terms of its urgency and status. And at the bottom, we can see custom tags that have been added to this task. More on this later. We can click a task to open it in the task view. We can also create general tasks by clicking on this button. In the third and main column, we can see the task that has been selected. On the top here is the number of the task, the title, which we can change by clicking this icon here, and who created the task along with the date and time it was created. The title is the first comment that was created in this task by default. We advise editing this if you'd like to make it clearer for future reference. Below this section, we have two tabs, one for the comments that have been made inside this task, and the screenshot that was automatically generated when this task was created. If a screenshot has not been added to the task, there will only be a comments tab available. Below, we can send messages by typing here and clicking send message. And finally, we can add notes to the task, which will only be seen by users inside the dashboard. This is an awesome way to communicate internally with your team, as these notes will not be added to the task on the website side. Last but not least, we have the additional actions column, where we have two options to view the filters or attributes of the task that has been selected. This button takes you to the exact location of where the task was created on the front end of the website that you're looking at, logging you in along the way. Here is the timer. This is intended to time yourself when starting a task. For example, I'm going to say this task will take me around 30 minutes, so I'll enter it into the estimation here. Start the timer, open the task page, and get started. This is great to differentiate between how long you think a task will take compared to how long it actually takes. This will improve your estimation skills of time when clients send in a request. When this becomes accurate, it will improve your clients' relations and it will make sure you're charging the correct amount for a request. This will ensure that you're not working longer than how much you're getting paid and that your client isn't being overcharged. Awesome, right? Lastly, we can see the additional information about the task. We can change the status and the urgency of the task with these drop-downs, delete a task, which we strongly advise against so you can keep records of all of your communications with your clients, and we can change the assigned users. Here we have the WordPress users, which are on the website itself, and the WP feedback users inside the dashboard or your team. Clicking on the Filters tab allows you to filter tasks that you want to see. For example, let's say I only want to see tasks that are critical because my client is having some problems. Tick on critical and boom, we can see each task that has been marked as critical. Let's go a step further and check only tasks that are open, that have been created by our client, that are critical, and that are assigned to me. Boom. The filters make it easy for you to find what you're looking for and allows you to really fit WP Feedback Pro into your workflow. You can also search for tasks in this search bar on the header of your dashboard. This is based off the title of the task. Next, let's take a look at our auto login feature, which will blow you away, trust me.